This is a daily production report which I have created in advance. Before creating the new format, let's see how it works. On the top, we have got month and year. Just below that, we have got the option of to select our off days. Over here, I have selected just one off day as Sunday. Suppose that there will be second off day, I'll click over here and will select other day from the drop down. I'll select Saturday. And as soon as I selected Saturday, both the days means Saturdays and Sundays which are visible over here got highlighted. If I select none from here, none of the days are highlighted. Total working days as 29 and total non-working days as 2. If I select my off days from here, Sunday, total non-working days increased and total working days got reduced. Over here, our holidays will be visible. Whenever the production will be over or under, it will be visible in these cells. For 12 months, we have got 12 sheets, and in the end, we have got our annual sheet. To create this format, we will need some data, and I have kept my data in my settings sheet. The data will be month's name, years, days, holidays list, and our product codes. Let's start creating a new format now. I have opened a new workbook. We'll rename the sheet as settings. We'll take column A closer, months, years, days, dates, holidays, codes, products. We'll select the whole row and we'll change the font style. We'll align all the things in center. We'll select all the heads by pressing Ctrl or Command and we'll change the color. We'll change the font color. We'll increase the font size. We'll take blank columns closer. Months, January, enter. We'll increase the column size. We'll drag this till December. Years, 2024, enter. We'll drag this till end. We'll press Ctrl A and we'll create borders. Days, I'll type Monday, enter. We'll drag this till Sunday. We'll click on top of Monday and we'll type none over here, enter. We'll press Ctrl A and we'll create borders. Codes, I'll take some random codes over here, enter. Products, we'll increase the column size. Product 1, enter. We'll drag this. This will be product 2. We'll drag this. Now I'll select both and we'll drag this down. We'll press Ctrl A or Command A and we'll create borders. Dates and holidays. I'll increase the column size. We'll take my holidays list from my example file. We'll copy my holidays list from top, Ctrl C or Command C. We'll go to my blank format and we'll paste over here. Ctrl V or Command V. We'll go to View, Show, and we'll remove the grid lines. My setting sheet is ready now. I'll insert a new sheet. This will be January. We'll take column A closer. We'll click on B2 and we'll select till D. We'll merge this together. We'll drag this down. We'll select both the rows and we'll increase the row size. We'll select both and we'll create borders. Now I'll go to my setting sheet. We'll select all the months from January to December. We'll go to formulas, means we'll go to formulas tab. Over here in the center we get the option of define name. We'll click over here and we'll give it a name. Name will be months. Okay. Now I'll select years. We'll go to formulas, define manager, and we'll rename as years and we'll do OK. Now I'll select days from top to bottom. We'll go to define name and we'll rename this as days. OK. Now I'll go to my January sheet. We'll click on top. We'll go to data, data validation. From here I'll select list, source plus or equal to. I'll type months over here and we'll do OK. So my drop down list of months got created. I'll select January. We'll click next to January, means we'll click on E2 and we'll select F also. We'll go to home and we'll merge this together. We'll go to data, data validation. From here I'll select list, source plus or equal to years and we'll do OK. So my drop down list of years got created. I'll select 2024. This will be off days, enter. We'll click next to off days and we'll select next cell also. We'll go to data, data validation. From here I'll select list, source plus or equal to days and we'll do OK. So my drop down list of days got created. I'll select none and we'll select none over here also. We'll select all, we'll go to home and we'll create borders. We'll align all the things in center. We'll click just after year. This will be total non-working days. Enter. We'll select the whole sheet and we'll wrap the text. We'll increase the column size. We'll align this in center. We'll increase the row size. We'll drag this in H also. This will be total working days. Enter. We'll increase the column size. We'll click just under off days and we'll select next cell also. We'll merge this together and we'll drag this till total working days. We'll insert borders. We'll select all and we'll insert borders. This will be serial number, codes, product names, target quantity, actual quantity, target versus actual, variance or variance, daily production target. Enter. Now I'll select all the rows and we'll change the font style. We'll make it bold. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. We'll put color over here also. We'll change the color. We'll change the font color. Over here also I'll put some color. Over here we can see none. We'll select both the none. We'll go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here I'll type none. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill. From here I'll select blue color and font will be blue. And we'll do OK. OK. So whenever it will be none, nothing will be visible, and whenever we will select any weekday, it will be visible in red. Perfect. We'll increase size of column number I. We'll select from top to bottom and we'll merge this together. This will be holidays. We'll click over here. We'll go to alignment, orientation, format, cell alignment, and we'll give it a angle. OK. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. We'll increase the font size. We'll create borders. Serial number 1, 2. We'll select both and we'll drag it down. We'll select all and we'll create borders. Codes plus or equal to. We'll go to my setting sheet and we'll click on first code. Enter. We'll drag it down. Product names. We'll increase the column size. Over here we will insert the formula or function of VLOOKUP, and the formula will be plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value. Codes will be our lookup value, comma, table array. We will go to our setting sheet and we'll select codes and products from top. We'll press function F4 or F4 and the range will be locked, comma, column index number. We started the selection of VLOOKUP from codes. So codes will be column index number 1 and product name will be column index number 2. So I'll put 2 over here, comma 0, bracket close, will come in the beginning of formula bar and will insert the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, will come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now I'll drag this down. Target quantity. In target quantity, I'll take some random figures. And to take random figures, I'll use the function or formula of rand between. Plus or equal to rand between, bracket open, bottom. Bottom figure I'll take as 500, comma, top. Top figure I'll take as 2000. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll align this in center. We'll drag it down. Now I'll copy all the figures, Ctrl C or Command C, and we'll paste here as values. Paste special values. And the function of rand between got removed. Actual quantity. We will insert the formula over here later on. Target versus actual. Formula will be plus or equal to actual minus target. Enter. In case you want, you can subtract target from actual also. Totally up to you. We'll align this in center. We'll drag this down. We'll leave it selected. We'll press Ctrl 1. Number. We'll remove decimal places and we'll select this format and we'll do OK. Now I'll click next to holidays and we'll insert the formula for dates. And the formula will be plus or equal to date value, bracket open, double inverted comma 1, double inverted comma close, and we'll click on month and we'll click on year. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. I got some random figure. We'll align this in center. We'll select couple of more cells. We'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to date and we'll select a desired date format and we'll do OK. Now I'll click next to first date and we'll insert the formula for second date, and the formula will be plus or equal to if, bracket open, we'll click on first date, we'll press F4 or function F4 2 times, is smaller than EO month means end of the month, bracket open, we'll click on first date once again, we'll press F4 or function F4 and the cell will be locked. comma 0, bracket close, comma, we'll click on first date once again, plus 1, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We got our second date. We'll align this in center. We'll click just under first date and we'll insert the formula for day, and the formula will be plus or equal to text, bracket open. We'll select first date, comma, double inverted comma, DDD means D 3 times, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. We'll align this in center. We'll drag this to second date also. We'll click on holidays and we'll unmerge the cells. We'll merge these cells. We'll drag this. This will be over or under production. We'll increase size of row number 3. We'll click next to holidays and we'll select next cell also, and we'll merge this together. We'll drag this. Over here we will insert the formula for holidays, and the formula will be plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value. Date will be our lookup value, comma, table array. We will go to our settings sheet and we select holidays from top. We'll press function F4 or F4 and the range will be logged, comma, column index number. Selection of VLOOKUP started from dates. So dates will be column index number 1 and holidays name will be column index number 2. So I'll type 2 over here, comma 0, bracket close, will come in the beginning of formula bar and will insert the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, will come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. I got name of first holiday over here. We'll go to alignment, orientation, rotate text up. We'll decrease the font size. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, more rules. From here I'll select not equal to blank. For blank I'll insert double inverted comma twice. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill. From here I'll select a desired color and font will be black. And we'll do OK. OK. So my first holiday got highlighted. We'll drag this. We'll adjust the column size. Now I'll click just under first day and we'll select till end. We'll go to conditional formatting, new rule. From here I'll select classic. In case you are using Windows, you will not be getting the option of classic. You will be diverted to next step, and that is use a formula to determine which cells to format. And the formula will be, we'll take this on top, plus or equal to, or I'll take this down. We'll click on first holiday. We'll remove the first dollar, is not equal to blank. For blank I'll insert double inverted comma twice. We'll take this on top, we'll click on drop down, customize format, fill. From here I'll select yellow color and font will be black. And we'll do OK. OK. So whenever it will be holiday, it will be automatically highlighted in yellow. We'll go to conditional formatting once again. New rule. From here I'll select classic. And from here I'll select use a formula to determine which cells to format. We'll take this down and the formula will be plus or equal to. We'll click on first day. We'll remove the first dollar, is equal to. We'll click over here from where we are going to manage our week offs. We'll take this on top. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill. From here I'll select red color and font will be white. And we'll do OK. OK. We'll go to conditional formatting once again, manage rules. And this is the rule what I have inserted right now. We'll click on this rule, duplicate rule. Now I'll click on edit rule. We'll delete E3 means last cell reference from here. And we'll click on second week off. And we'll do OK. OK. So our conditional formatting got inserted over here. We'll drag this over here also in second date. Now I'll click on second date and we'll select till end. And we'll drag this till 31st of January, means last date of the month. We'll select from 31st till 1st and we'll adjust the column size. Now I'll click over here and we'll drag this till end. Perfect. We'll go to borders, no border. We'll click on first holiday. We'll select till end and we'll insert outside border. We'll click on first date. We'll select till end. We'll press shift control right arrow key and we'll insert borders. We'll go to view, show, and we'll remove the grid lines. We'll select all the holidays. We'll go to home and we'll insert some color over here. Perfect. We'll come to left. Total non-working days. Formula will be plus or equal to count if, bracket open, range. I'll click on first weekday. We'll press shift control right arrow key, comma. We'll come to left and we'll click on first week off. Bracket close. We'll select this. Control C or Command C, we'll come to the end, plus we'll paste the formula what we have copied right now, Control V or Command V. We'll delete last cell reference from here and we'll click on second week off, plus countif, bracket open, range. We'll click on first holiday and we'll select till 31st, comma, double inverted comma, question mark, into means star, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and I'll hit enter. We'll come to left, we'll align this in center, we'll change the font color. So we got total non-working days as 10. I'll keep my week off as Sunday only, and this will be none. So now total non-working days are 6. Total working days, the formula will be plus or equal to countif, bracket open, range. We'll click on first weekday, we'll press shift control right arrow key, comma, double inverted comma, question mark, star, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. We'll come to left. So we got total working days as 31. We'll go to formula bar, minus total non-working days, enter. So total working days got 25 and total non-working days got 6, means total days 31. When we will change the month, February, it got 25 and 4, means total days as 29. We'll keep as January. Actual quantity, formula will be plus or equal to sum, bracket open. We'll click on first day and we'll select till 31st, means till last date of the month. We'll close the bracket, we'll hit enter. We'll come to left, we'll align this in center. We'll drag this down. Daily production target, the formula will be plus or equal to target quantity divided by total working days. We'll press F4 or function F4 and the cell will be logged. Enter. We'll align this in center. We'll remove decimal places. Enter. We'll drag this down. Over or under production, plus or equal to ifs, bracket open. We'll click on target versus actual. Is smaller than 0. If this will be smaller than 0, we want to feature under. So I'll put comma, double inverted comma under. We'll insert the icon of down arrow key over here. We'll close this, double inverted comma close, comma. We'll click on target versus actual once again. Is greater than 0, comma. If this will be greater than 0, what we want in return? We want over. So I'll put double inverted comma over. We'll insert up arrow key over here. We'll close this, double inverted comma close, comma. We'll click on target versus actual once again. Is equal to 0. If this will be 0, what we want in return? We want on target. So I'll put comma, double inverted comma on target. We'll insert one arrow over here. We'll close this, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. We'll go to formula bar once again and we'll insert one more criteria of if. If, bracket open, target quantity will be blank, so I'll put is equal to 0. If target quantity will be 0, what we want in return? We want blank. So I'll put comma, double inverted comma twice for blank, comma. We'll come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now I'll drag this down. Currently all are showing under because we haven't inserted any figure over here. If I'll insert a figure over here, 1500, enter, we can see over. Now I'll click over here on over. We'll go to formula bar and we'll copy this. We'll copy down arrow key and under. Control C or Command C. We'll go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule equal to, and over here I'll paste what I have copied right now. Control V or Command V. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill, and from here I'll select red color. Font will be white. And we'll do OK. OK. Now I'll go to formula bar and we'll copy over and the arrow. Control C or Command C. We'll go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule equal to, and over here I'll paste what I have copied right now. Control V or Command V. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill. From here I'll select yellow color, font will be black, and we'll do OK. OK. We'll go to formula bar and we'll copy on target from here along with arrow. Control C or Command C. We'll go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule equal to, and over here I'll paste on target. Control V or Command V. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill. From here I'll select green color, font will be white, and we'll do OK. OK. Now I'll drag this down. So whenever it will be over, it will be highlighted in yellow, and whenever it will be under, it will be highlighted in red. I'll put some figure over here, and whenever it will be on target, it will be automatically highlighted in green. Perfect. I'll delete this. We'll select all the heads and we'll increase the font size. We'll increase font size over here also. Perfect. So format for January is ready. Now I'll create 12 sheet for 12 months. We'll click on sheet's name. We'll right click the mouse, move or copy, move to end, create a copy, OK. This will be February. We'll click on month's name and we'll select February from here. So sheet of February got created. Second way to create the copy, I'll click on sheet's name, we'll press Alt and we'll drag this to plus sign and the copy will be created. In the same way, I'll create 12 copies for 12 months and 1 copy for annual. We'll come to left. This is January, this is February, this will be March. And in the same way, I'll rename the sheets till December. All the sheets got renamed. We'll come to January, this is perfect. February, this is perfect. We'll come to March, we'll go on top and we'll do this March. We'll change the month's name in all the sheets. Now I'll go to annual sheet. Dates are not required over here, so I'll delete all the dates. Delete. We'll delete all the formulas from here. Delete. We'll delete target quantity also. We'll unmerge this and we'll change the orientation. OK. We'll align this in center. We'll change the color over here. We'll put borders. We'll click just under target quantity. Formula will be plus or equal to sum, bracket open. We'll go to January sheet and we'll click on total target quantity. We'll press shift and we'll click on December sheet. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll drag this down and we'll drag this till daily production target. We'll remove decimals from here. Over or under production, I'll go to December sheet. We'll copy formula from here. Control C or Command C. We'll go to annual sheet and we'll paste over here. Control V or Command V. We'll delete formula from here. Total non-working days, formula will be plus or equal to sum, bracket open. We'll go to January sheet. We'll click on total non-working days. We'll press shift and we'll click on December sheet. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll drag this in total working days also. Holidays, plus or equal to count A, bracket open. We'll go to my setting sheet and we'll select holidays from top. We'll press function F4 or F4 and the cell will be logged. Bracket close, -1 and we'll hit enter. We'll align this in center. Now I'll set months, years and my off days. We'll go to data validation and we'll erase the current settings. OK. Clear all. OK. We'll delete off days from here. We'll click on month's name. We'll select next cell also. We'll go to home and we'll merge this. We'll merge year also. We'll delete February from here. This will be annual or annual summary. Enter. We'll increase the font size. We'll select target versus actual. We'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to number and we'll change the number format. OK. Done. So this format is ready now. I'll provide link of this file in description box. In case you want to download, you can. But the download option is only for channel members. You can join the channel membership from the link provided in the description box. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye-bye.